Mom.
Oops.
You tore his leg off.
Sorry. It was an accident.
No. Because it doesn't have a leg. Does it have a really long tongue? That lizard?
Are his eyeballs moving yet? Because that's how he gets them. I'm going to put him in the corner. So that's where those...
Yeah.
Let me put him a little bit closer over here. What? That way they pass right by him.
His eyeball moved.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
His eyeball
He ate it. Do you see it? He opens his mouth. You see his pink tongue, and then all of a sudden he goes for it. That's one. He'll get about 3 more. Nathan? Nathan, come over here. Okay, we'll come over here.
I can get another of those.
Here, there's a spot here.
Oh, here comes.
Watch, here it comes. He's going to get it. Oh, and he goes.
Oh,
there you go. He ate one.
Poor
Do you see
grasshopper.
that? Yeah, well, it's part of life. That's how.
Ew, that one's pooping.
He's probably scared. He knows he's about to die.
Oh, here it comes.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, my goodness.
Ew, it's still alive. Barely. Okay, it's dead. In its mouth. It's in its mouth. Get some more. He's stuck. He can't chew it.
Is it too big or something?
He's full.
No, I think he's full.
Oh, he's full?
Yeah, he gets lazy and falls asleep after he eats.
No, Mom, put one in.
That was already, what, 3?
Hey,
Yeah.
why didn't he go poo yet? No.
Oh, that's
Five
it?
days.
Mom,
Why doesn't he go poo yet?
Who?
Why didn't he go poo
Well,
yet?
he remember he didn't eat for like 3 days, so he's...
He just moves his head a teensy tiny
Yeah, he
bit.
goes very slowly. He doesn't want the grasshopper to see him move.
He eats bugs. Hey, look,
Oh my goodness.
look. Its head is just sticking out.
Our daily science
I
lesson.
think he's full.
That's awesome.
Mom, I think he's full now.
Yeah, I think one more. Look at his tummy. Look at the way he's breathing. Ooh. He's breathing fast.